I'm Paul Pasolka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 14th question from the Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. Number 14 reads, the solution to the system of equations is x comma y. What is the value of y? Stick around because I'm going to do a Desmos solution. You want to use Desmos for this. It's going to take 2 seconds, but if you don't know how to do Desmos, it's asking for y. Your first question is, should I eliminate or substitute? When the x's line up, the y's line up, and the numbers line up, you want to eliminate. And then you want to ask yourself, which equation should I multiply by what? Since it's asking for y, you want to get rid of the x's. So what I would recommend is multiply this equation by -4. And when you multiply it by -4, you get negative 24x minus 4y. This is kind of ugly. And then 472, 288. And that's going to equal negative 288. So that's gone. Now when I add down my x's, they're gone. When I add down my y's, I get negative 3y. And when I add down my numbers, I get that it equals negative 240. And then divide both sides by -3. This cancels, and you get y equals 80, which is your answer. Now, Desmos solution. You don't want to do this. Use Desmos. Check out what happens when you throw it into Desmos. Here's Desmos, and notice you only see one line, but you wrote the equation for 2 lines. There's nothing wrong with them. You don't have the triangle with the exclamation point on the left. You got those orbs with the squiggly lines. So you know you should be looking at 2 lines. What do you got to do? You got to zoom out. Zoom out once, twice. Oh, now I see the other line. 3 times, 4 times, however many times it needs, in order to see the intersection point. The solution to a systems of equations is the intersection point. And you might notice here that the y-intercept is really close to the intersection point. You want to make sure that you don't get them mixed up. So it's a good idea to recenter, zoom in, and now you can see it's obvious. Usually to show as a gray dot the intersection point. If it doesn't, just click on one of the lines. Now you see the gray dot. The question was asking about y. Sure enough, y is 80. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who does not know how to solve systems of equations using Desmos. That's how you want to do this. Don't worry about elimination or substitution here. If there's any question you'd like answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video. If you go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, find the test and module number. So for this, it's Test 3 Module 1. Shorter videos are just below these longer videos. Have a great day.